In this video, I'm going to do a quick overview of the first steps that you need to take once you've placed an order with Responsive Learning. I'm going to specifically go through the email that you receive from my support team once they have set up the account. And this email contains all of the administrator dashboard login information and instructions for enrolling your teachers. Now, I created this video really quickly because I've been getting a lot of requests for this. So I'm doing it right now, just kind of on the fly, but hopefully in the next couple of weeks, we're going to post up a new kind of cleaner and more polished up video, but I just wanted to get this out there right now. If you haven't already, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll receive notifications every time we post up new content to help you build and inspire your teachers to be better in the classroom so that your students will learn more and more. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to click over to the email. Here it is. The subject line, by the way, is your first name, and then it'll say your responsive learning order is ready. Here's your startup guide. So I'm going to just touch on the most important things that you need to just be paying attention to. The very first thing is this in red, bold, please do not forward this email to your teachers. This email contains instructions and information for only you. And so if you were to send this to your teachers, it would confuse them greatly, and it would just cause a lot of issues in trying to get your order ready. So although we know that we don't want to add more to the teacher's plate, so please just hold on to this email for yourself. This contains a lot of great information for you. Save this guide for future reference as well. So the very first thing that you'll see is the product that you ordered. In this case, it is the T-TESS Cube library. So it contains a lot of courses that we have, and this is specifically for the state of Texas. But we have a bunch of stuff for everybody, but this order is specifically for the state of Texas. Now, right under this portion here, or this section, is going to give you just a quick overview of the different sections that are included in the rest of the email. So there's the getting started with your administrator dashboard, enrolling or how to enroll campus administrators, and then how to enroll your campus teachers as well. Okay, so that's what the very first part of the email is all about. Gives you a quick little overview. So let's get started with section number 1, getting started with the administrator dashboard. Now, the very first thing you'll notice is that there is a link to log into your administrator dashboard with your username and password. Now, all you have to do is copy your username and password and place it in there to log in. But what you want to make sure you don't do is to add extra spaces either before or after your username or your password. If you're to do so, it won't recognize it because it's recognizing that empty space as a character, and it will not log you in. So just make sure that when you copy and paste that you're only copying and pasting the characters that are in this document. Okay, and so let's skip down to, once you log in, you're going to be able to manage your participants, kind of see their status based on the different orders that you have, and you're going to also be able to see their certificates of completion. Oh, by the way, all the way throughout, you're going to be able to see these little links here. And so if you want extra help, or if you want to watch quick videos that explain in more detail each of these sections, you can just click that and it'll take you right to either like the frequently asked questions page or a video. Okay, so let's move on to viewing reports. There are many different kinds of reports. Here are probably the two most popular ones. One is called the course summary report. This kind of gives you a quick look at how your teachers are progressing through the courses that they're taking. The second report is course details report. This is where you can see how your teachers responded throughout a course. So every course has a reflective question, or at least one, and when they respond to that, you're going to be able to see what their responses are. So hopefully it'll give you a lot more insight into what your teachers are learning, so that when you do an observation or a classroom walkthrough, that you'll be able to just have more insight to what to look for when you're inside the classroom with them. Secondly, or thirdly, I should say, managing your orders. In this section, you're going to be able to just manage your orders, look at the registration codes, You're going to see how many hours are remaining, when the order end is, and the registered participants under that order, all that kind of information. So you can just, that's what you're going to be able to do under managing your orders. And then the last section on your dashboard that I want to talk about is managing PD to practice. Now, PD to practice is a new system that we've implemented into the whole library that is to help ensure that every one of your teachers are learning in our professional development and applying it in the classroom, and also reporting back the outcomes that they experience once they implement those strategies. And so it's a brand new system, and under managing PD to practice, you will be able to create these follow-up sessions and kind of walk your teachers through the PD to practice system. So that's what all the things that you're going to be able to get when you log into your administrator dashboard. Now, let's go to section 2, enrolling campus administrators. So in the case where the order is placed by a district administrator and there are many campus administrators, you're going to want to enroll your campus administrators so that they can have access to what's happening inside of their campuses. Now, if you placed a campus order from your campus, you're not going to see this section, okay? But this is strictly for district level orders that are placed. Okay, so let's go into this. Basically, all you have to do is copy and paste the registration template for administrators. Now, remember, administrators only. Do not send this to your teachers. This is what you're going to send to campus administrators. So all you have to do is copy and paste all of this information from here down to your signature, and send that up to your, paste it in your email, and then email it to your campus administrators. And they're going to click this link, copy and paste their registration code, and self-register. Once they've done that, they're going to have a dashboard themselves, and they can log in and look at all the information that you were able to do at the campus, at the district level. They'll be able to only see what's happening in their campus. Okay, let's go to section 3, enrolling teachers. Again, this is real simple. We try to make it very simple for y'all. This is what you're going to send, the email template that you're going to send to the teachers that you want to register for a course. So you just kind of copy and paste all the way down here at the very bottom, and then paste it into your email client, and then send it to your teachers. Okay. What they're going to do is they're going to click this link and then copy and paste the registration code, and then they're going to have access to their dashboard. Now, if they already have a username and password, they're going to do this step. If they do not already have a username and password, they don't have an account with us, then they're going to do these steps right in here. Okay? So that's about it for this email. This is how you register your teachers, how you register campus administrators, and then also how you, as the administrator over this order, can log into the dashboard. Now, remember, again, I just want to say, please do not send this or forward this to any one of your teachers. This whole document is only for you, okay? And then there's the email templates below. Those are for you to copy and paste and send to kind of get your teachers and your campus administrators enrolled. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you'll receive notifications every time we post up new content to help you build and develop your teachers. If you would like some more help, you can call us at 915-532-9964 and speak to one of our customer service reps, or you can just send an email to support@responsivelearning.com, and my support team is just ready to help you. Thanks.